Hello, fellow traders. I just rolled in. I haven't even read any news, just what's been coming through on my phone. I'm blown away, and like I said, the truth always prevails, and this was a pretty interesting day today, and I'm amazed, how they can sink the market down and, hit so many crucial points, retest everything in one day is what they did today. One day, Yeah, I'm out of FAS. Yeah, I covered Jazz, took a loss, but you know what? The last time the market was at 9,800 and the Riffin was down that far, FAS was $3-4 higher, so, I lived, I learned. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. Those of us who trade, we don't look at past trades, we just study them, You can't dwell on nothing. I'm on to new. Like I said, I'm holding a huge position of Blockbuster, 80 cents on that thing, I'm even, and anything above there, I'm making coin again. That's my play right now. It's kind of nice to sit back and watch, because what I'm going to show you on the charts, it's anybody's game right now. Me personally, what's going on, bailing grease out and everything going on right now, like I've said, we've ripped off the whole world, and you had to ask yourself a year ago, I asked you guys to ask yourself, if you had millions for your family and children and everything, would you risk it here right now? See what I'm saying? So those that are really smart, that's what happens. They're watching and they know this is all fake. This is all just fluff. And great if you made money on this fluff rally. That's good. We know any trade's a good trade. The short side, the long side. Just like a stock you were holding long didn't even drop today. Ones that were weak, I've been watching them. I've been watching them over the last week. Mercado Libre, fluffed up into the 50s, things were falling, Hot Topic, things were peaking, falling. Everything was peaking. We had Citigroup above 5, but it's okay, because, when this crash happened, I changed my strategy and started trading more after I made my run off the bottom with Disney. I even swapped my Disney right there at the end to SSO and got a little more higher, and that's when I kind of started trading the markets instead of individual companies, picking the diamonds in the rough. Like I said, I've been doing this for over 10 years. It's tough to keep trading. That's why we do it. We're learning. You stick with it. It's like putting yourself through college. There's a lot of good to come out of it. But check out this dip today. You can look at Joanne's. I've heard it was a misfire on a trader, but how can every stock just start plummeting like that? See what I'm saying? Everybody's watching this. This is what I don't like. The 1-day chart looks like our crash. They did a lot of good for the longs here. We can definitely go back up now and retest. Maybe we'll go back to 10, but that's a strong rally off the bottom, and they're gonna pump that. I like my charts, and that's why I'm gonna show you these charts right here. This is what they did today. Okay, I think it wasn't prepared because I just walked in, but we tested, and I hate to say it, We didn't even hit that low today. It turned around right there. See? 50-day, 200-day, Feb low. All in one day. I mean, right here, I was just telling my trading partner last night, if we go through the 50, this will be our 200-day tap. You got a short side all the way to around 10.2. I was just saying it last night. And here we go. I mean, I called him today, dude, the market's down 600 because I seen it on the way up. And he's all, it's been down 900. I couldn't believe it. And then I knew everything was retested. And this is a biggie here, this Feb. You know, this is where we could trade now from, you know, 11.3, 12,000 to 10,000, just like I thought we were going to trade from, you know, 6,500 to 8,500 for a year or two. I really did. You know, huge day. You know, good luck out there if you're holding short still, because, you know, again, how I explain, if you're a millionaire, like if I was just a millionaire, I could have just kept adding on to my, you know, short side, you know, wouldn't have been playing the triple beer, because even if I was, I mean, today would have been a bonus day. I would have been in the green on this whole trade over the last 7 months if you're able to, you know, to keep slapping down the dough and bringing your average down. You know, and then I could have been picking up my other little diamonds in the rough that we like to do, but I get, you know, caught up in one or two things over here. And, but I tell you, if they do let this thing go, it's going down. Good luck.